Hello, 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 my dear friends. Is voice clear, guys? Is voice clear? Let me notify other Telegram people also. Just a minute. Okay, so guys, after long time, we are back on live. So voice is okay. Voice chat, everything is okay. Let me know that. Then we will start analyzing the crypto market. Okay, guys, a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, voice okay. So everything will is okay. Now, this is the chart of uh, this is a chart of Ethereum, and Ethereum is looking very good, guys. Or we are on the 5 minute charts. Let's turn it into the 15-minute charts, and I am expecting some good move in Ethereum. See here, here. So we can plan trade in Ethereum. Here we can see that we are on the 15 minute, but in the 5 minute we can plan a trade. Just a minute. So the trade will looks like this. Stop loss is just below this candle, and target will be 1:2. So you can open with the 10x to 25x max to max leverage. So this is the trade on Ethereum, and BTC is also looking bullish. For BTC, if we see on BTC, here is the BTC on 15-minute charts. Where is the liquidity? So it just broke this level, guys. It's a very critical level for the BTC. Just a minute. Okay, now fine. Okay, so let's see the liquidity. So lots of liquidity is around this level. So expecting some good move in BTC till 140 300. So BTC will touch this level definitely. Let's plan something good on ETH. So ETH we already planned good trade. So in ETH we have good liquidity on upside. So here 423342. So these all are the liquidity. Let's move on to the 5 minute. Yes, here. So in downside we don't have good liquidity. So I am expecting good, very good upside movement in market or in Ethereum or in BTC. If we see the 24-hour liquidation, we have 59.7 million, but we have already pulled out the 53 million liquidity. So we have much more liquidity on the upside. Let's see the 12 hours chart. Okay, so you want to know about the liquidation. Okay, guys. So first of all, we have liquidity of this yellow color is showing us liquidity, more liquidity. Max liquidity 47.21. So in 12 hours we have a maximum liquidity of 47.21 like this. Okay, so we have a very good liquidity in at the level of 112k, below 112k. Okay, or we have same liquidity at the level of 114 to 54 level. So we are near to this level, so price is moving like a magnet. So we have a more liquidity near to this level. So I think first time it takes the resistance from this level, second time again it is coming here. Now I think it will break this level and take this liquidity on the candle. So 47.22 million of liquidity, and this is at the level of 114 or 900. So after taking the liquidity of this level, money will again retrace, then it will go up to the higher liquidity area to grab. So because this liquidity of for leveraging, many people are in over leverage or leverage from 1x to 100x. So this liquidity is going in the magnetic way. So this liquidity is like a magnet. So where is the maximum liquidity, money will price will go there to grab the liquidity. This is the simple formula for the liquidity. Or we have in the 12 hours, we have in 24 hours. So there is many time frames we can see that. But the simple is you can simply, if you are a day trader, then you can use this coin glass legend chart, so you can see the liquidity and use the indicator of the liquidity heat map in charts. So you don't need to see the liquidity level on other charts. So liquidity on upside, so expecting some good move till this level. If I see this level, then I can expect this, it will take the liquidity of this last high or this zone. So if I mark this zone, then this zone will be the resistance for the BTC, because there is no big money are in market. That's why BTC is ranging from last 2 3 days, from Monday I think. No, from last 2 days we are in this zone. Now we are breaking out from this zone, so we are expecting some good move. For this, I think the best way, for knowing about the liquidity, you have to check the price action first. Because see here, this is the liquidation candle. This red candle is the liquidation candle. Here you can see that. So it took the liquidity of this level. If you see further on that level, this is the candle. So here is the liquidity of 69 million, and it grabbed this liquidity. After grabbing this liquidity, BTC is going to grab the liquidity of the higher levels. See here, this is the liquidity on the higher levels. So now it grabbed this liquidity, and finally it grabs all liquidity, and after that you can see that it is going upside. So after grabbing the liquidity till this level, we can expect some downside move to the lower liquidity level. So it will works 90% or 40%, sorry, 80% to 90% time. Not every time. Sometimes news is a very dangerous thing. So I will suggest you or advise you to stay away from the news. Okay, so Ethereum trade is opened, and this is also a liquidity candle. If you see that, it grabs the liquidity of large these candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 10th candle took the liquidity of this low. So from after the grabbing of this liquidity, we go high. And here also you can see that this green candle took the liquidity, and immediately after taking the liquidity of these levels, it goes down. So again we are at the level, and I think we can go much more upside. Means it act as support and resistance where it near it with high volume shows. Yes, it's like a support and resistance in BTC. Okay, again taking the red candles, but liquidity is on upside, but I don't know why this is acting like this, because Bitcoin is already moving, guys. If you see the structure of Ethereum, it is a very good upside structure because it took the liquidity first here, second here, third, fourth, all liquidity grabbed from this level also, and now it is again going upside, but don't know why it is acting like a consolidation phase. So is we are in the consolidation phase of Bitcoin. Slowly, slowly you will understand. Not in one day you will master the liquidity, but after doing trades on liquidity concept, then you will understand the liquidity concept very well. Mhm. Any questions from you guys is welcomed. Looks like BTC dropping sharp after touching 114K or 113.9K. Yes, but the liquidity is on upside, guys. Don't know why. 114 is a psychological number, that's why it is dropping. But the structure, if say that, price action is looking for a bullishness because it goes up, takes pullback, and going high. Now it took the liquidity of upside. Sometimes in consolidation phase is like a neutral phase where uh, instrument or Bitcoin or other thing we can say that is not in a uh, bullish or bearish phase. So it is in a neutral phase. So it consolidate, then it will move. So we are in a consolidation phase, expansion, contraction, and downside move. That is the nature of the markets. Okay, let's see other coins also. Not on the 5 hours, but on the. Okay, guys. So Away is looking very good after taking the rejection from this level. Let me remove all of the things first. Okay, so it took the liquidity on upside. Now this is the resistance for this, and it takes the liquidity of this level as well. So in some days or next month, we can see a good upside move in AWA or in AR USDT. AR USDT is making head and shoulder, but on the bigger time frame. So it will take some time, guys, to go upside. So after reaching the level of 8.91, we can see it can go easily up to the level of 16 in AR. Let me check your how to know which coin we need to pick for trading, like you share signal 95%, they move in the one or in 30 minutes they hit TP. Kindly explain how we select coin. Okay, brother, you need to see the coins volume first. How much volume are in the coin? Then you have to take the trades because everything is depend on the volume. So you have higher the volume, then chances of the target or the stop loss is more in the market. Yes, it is a small retest. That's why we are seeing. Okay, guys. So this is also a very good candle. If you see that, I will explain you a very good thing I see here. Okay. So from if we see from here, after taking the resistance from this level, this candle is high and this high low is a very crucial for baby dodge. Okay. So from here, it coins flies very well. So if we say that in price action, it is like 25% move from here. So it took the liquidity from this level. So now from here, we can expect again minimum to minimum 15% move. So here, at least from this level after grabbing the liquidity, because this red candle is also a liquidation candle, okay, and this green candle is also a liquidation candle. If you see this kind of candle anywhere, you can open your trade immediately. Or SL is below the last level. So this candle always works for the buyers on higher time frame. Mainly works in lower time frame also, but in lower time frame in 15 minutes it works, but in gold it works very well for the buyers. Like this bonk sweep the liquidity of this level. So you can also plan long with the low leverage. You can go and target will be easily 1:3 you will get from here, guys. BTC domain. Let me check the BTC dominance. So in higher time frame, we see BTC dominance once, twice, thrice takes the liquidity and drop down from here and again takes the liquidity from this. Now we are again in that area. So what we can expect? We can expect a good move on upside and a good move on downside. Both we can expect. You don't need to see the uh, time frame for the volume. For that you need to see the coin market cap, which volume is performing, which are the top gainers and which are the top losers, and select the good fundamental coins and see the transactions of the coin on dexes. So this is overall for this. And for Doge break this level. See, you can see here, we mark this zone and it took the liquidity from this level and going upside. So target for the Doge is simply this level. Easily it can achieve this level. For the scalpers, it is a very good. So we can see Doge will touch 0.26 soon from this level. Dot is coming down, but it is retracing. ENJ, no good volume. Ethereum took the liquidity from this level. You can see now Ethereum is in consolidation phase, but I'm expecting very good move because this trend line will uh, pull pull the Ethereum again. But till this trend line, we can see Ethereum can go easily 4400, 4300. We can see after that we see a pullback, and then we can see a very good rally in Ethereum. So next one will be a bullish for. Yes, in altcoins you have to check total market cap, guys. It is necessary for the alts. Simply, if you want to trade daily, so choose BTC. Okay, do nothing. Go to the 15-minute time frame and mark the areas like this. Okay, this is the area like this. It took the liquidity. Okay, now wait. Now you can play support and resistance. If you are beginner, then I will say avoid support and resistance. Okay, only do breakout tradings. Yes, you can also use my signals for the compounding, but you have to divide your capital into 5 pieces. Because if I give 10 trades, it is not necessary that all trade will work. In 10 out of 8 trades, will not sorry, in 10 out of 2 trades will not work, 8 will work. So for 2 trades we have to manage risk. So part your money into 10 parts or in 5 parts, or decide your loss and your profit also. Minimum, I will suggest you 1:2 will be your profit ratio minimum. Risk will be $1, then your profit will be $2 for the compounding. If you want to do compounding, then I will suggest you to do trade in BTC, Ethereum, and XAUT or Sol. Sol is also a good instrument. Sol is breaking out, guys, from this level. Now let's see what will happen. It is a fake breakout or a genuine breakout. So this is the resistance level for the Sol. So after taking the liquidity from the deep, we are seeing some good signs. So daily we will see new structures in market. So you need to learn daily every situations in the market, because the game is of mindset. Because what is flowing in the market, you need to adapt the situation. If you don't adapt the situation, then you will lose. Okay. Okay, so this, let's see the gold also, guys. Because I think gold, yes, gold, guys, gold. So for me, good level for the gold to buy on upside is this level. So expecting this, or a small support for the gold is this level also. A small consolidation, and we are here. So on small time frame, we can see we can take a good trade in gold. But usually gold trading time is US session and Euro session. Uh, Asian session is also a good time, but in India it's been like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. So when you want to be in the channel for signal, then you can message me on Telegram. Okay, so you can message me on Telegram. Take the pin message on Telegram, then you can join me for the signals. Okay. So these are the levels, but I am not expecting some good move from here, because takes the liquidity, one bounce from here, second bounce from here. Now it takes the resistance from this level and making higher low, lower high, higher low is making. So after making the higher high, higher low, we can judge the trend. So now for short term trend is like bearish. So in this, at this level, if I extend this support, this will be the very good support. If I make this small, then this will be very good level. If you are a gold trader, then I will suggest you 15 minute is a very good time frame to trade gold. Don't go below 15, below 15. Sended money 2 times. I don't received any money from you, brother. Not even one time. If you have any proof, send me on the Telegram. You will be in the premium or VIP channel. Okay, so gold is coming down. Now we see BTC is going up, and Ethereum will go up, guys. And my target is 1:2 for this. So let's wait. Or if you have any query, or if you want analysis of, okay, Esther, yes. Soon I am going to tell about the Esther. Let's see the Esther chart first. Let's see the price action. Esther is like hype. So they are developing new blockchain, and they are in the testing timing. So I am expecting some good move in Esther. Future for the Esther is very good. So from here you can see Esther can go 2x $5 easily in next 2 months. Esther is a very good project, and after the launching of their blockchain, then we can see a very good hype because CZ is also promoting the Esther. There is a big money in market, so Esther is very good project for the future also. It's like a hype, like a hyper liquid. Hyper liquid exchange is from $5 to $50, $60. When it is trading near $29, I messaged in my telegram about this. This will go to the new all-time high, and you can see already it makes the new all-time high of $54, I think. How much? Okay, more than 50, $59. So hype. Okay, on 4 hours, hype is looking good. Hype is looking good on 4 hours. Easily, it it can go up to the level of 1:354. So if you are a trader or a swing trader, 4 hour time frame is for swing traders. Hype is a very good trade. Manage your risk. Okay, 2.451 only is the stop loss, but the target is of 3.55. Sorry, 8.70. So from here you can get $8 of money. So you can open with 5x, 10x according to your capital. To long Esther on 2.39 on Binance or where? Okay, 2.39. You take the arrow from the air. Okay, let me see the liquidation of it. Esther, brother. Why? Okay. So 2.20 is your liquidity, and we have good liquidity on upside, but I think it developed newly, so it will grab the liquidity of 2.17 or this 2.25. So always open long on support, not onto the resistance. So I think you are going to liquidate soon, but only when if we see some liquidity is building on the downside. If not, then we are going to reach this level soon, 2.45. But it is on the 5 minute time frame. So I am expecting some downside move. But you have to track the transactions also. We see some good money flowing in the market, then we can expect upside move in Esther also. But I am expecting some consolidation on this level, grabbing all the liquidity. Then we can see a upside move in Esther. No, no, no. Don't do position averaging for the short or for the long. Or position averaging will work for the big money holders. If you have capital of $100, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, then position averaging is not good for you. Use stop loss always. If I say something, then you can see here this trend line is going on and on. Okay, in Esther. Now you can see here once, twice, thrice, fourth, and in fifth time it took the liquidity from here. Again it takes the support from this trend line, took the liquidity. Now what you are expecting? Now I am expecting some downside move like this, grabbing the all liquidity from these levels. Okay, then we can see upside move in Esther. This is my analysis. May I will be wrong, but many chances are high that we can see some downside correction in the Esther. Then we can see some good move in Esther. So you open at the 2.39. Yes, you can reduce your leverage. Don't know why market is going and down. There is no news today, but market is going choppy. So there is no big inflow of the money in the market. That's why market is choppy. In this market, I will suggest you use strict stop loss and go with your 50% position, not with all. Reducing leveraging, very good option. 5x. If you are going go with the 10x, then go with the 5x, 4x. It is a very good option for you. Okay, it again takes the liquidity level. Market is not being very good and not looking very good. It will take 1 or 2 days, then it will move in our direction. H bar is looking very good, but everything is looking all good on the 5 minute time frame. It doesn't mean it is a very good trade. So we need to verify from the higher levels. Okay. So inside candle, inside candle, inside candle. What I am expecting from this kind of move in market. It is very normal. If you see BTC structure, guys, so how to find bottoms? It is very simple. You can see here at this level. You can see that yes, this is the level. Here it took the liquidity from last level. Okay, but not grab the liquidity of this. So we have to wait from the last swing to grab the liquidity. Now in 4 hour time frame, it grabs the liquidity from this candle. So you can open your position and now you can see how BT will fly from this. You open the trade from this level, then you will get 7% move in BTC. So always this type of candle will work for you in higher time frame. If you know how to trade this kind of candles and when to buy and when to exit, you will easily make money in the market. Whether for technical analysis or for uh, fundamentals, you have to see the company. What is the purpose of company? What company is doing, and the future of the company is what? in which the founder and the co-founder and the investor of the company, who are the investor and the co-founder, and what is the purpose, will this company will perform in the future. So these are all criteria for the company to meet. Like many companies are like meme coins, they have no motives, only for the funds. But Esther is developing the chains, on chain, blockchains, and everything, and many big names are behind this. So you can easily trust. Hyperliquid is has its own exchange. It's like Ethereum in their early stages. So Hyperliquid will be the next Ethereum. If not Ethereum, but I think it will be Solana. So revenue and profit of any coin is very necessary in fundamentals or in technical analysis. In technical analysis, what you see is, in technical analysis you see the charts, but main thing is fundamentals. Fundamentals is very necessary. Yes, you can trade in XAUT, XAUTUSD. Here is your, yes. So wow, gold is falling from this level like this, guys. If I say, okay, so yes, I say that, then I will go for buy XAUT from this level, because this is the golden zone for the gold. So we can see some good move from this level 3675. Or if we see some downside move, from where to short, so you can make trend line. Near the trend line you can short, because this is a short term top which has been made. Types of trend line is already making, and mark this your charts, and this will be the area where you can go for the buy. But right now gold is falling. Oh my god, ethereum is also falling. We are near to the small sl of $24. In 2026 you are going to, in 2000 we will see the bottom. What range we can see in bearish market? We can see the 70k to 65k. I am expecting. I might be wrong, but can see 80k, 85k. But in last 2021 cycle, after top made, I made a prediction on BTC that it will go up to the 13k, but it go up to the 17k and then reverse from there. So it's all about the money. But this time we don't see much downside in BTC. But in altcoins we can see lots of bloodbath. But in BTC and only in BTC, not in Ethereum, but BTC compared to other alt, we can see some good uh, volume in the BTC can sustain 100k also. If BTC breaks the 150k and made top around the 175k or 176k, then we can say BTC will come down near to the level of 107k, 110k, 100k. 100k will be the bottom for the BTC for 2020. But this is the extended bull run, because many countries adopted the market, so we can see some, it is like a stock market bull case. But if US economy burst, then we can see a worse scenario in every market. Only gold will fly. And 90% of the buying is from China in gold. We can see, we can't say that now, because right now we have many opportunities in market. We can't say, it is very early to say that top has been made. Yesterday I am doing analysis. Many indicators are suggesting that BTC can go up to the 194k. So my cycle will works always like works, but this time it will take some time for. I think quarter 1 is also good for crypto, but things will change from quarter 2. In last 2021 full cycle, I think total altcoins we have 3.1 million, but in 2025 we have 37.1 million of total coins. So money is limited, but coins are unlimited, and day by day new coins are launching. So money is flowing in that coins. Daily we can't see a good progress like Aster or other coins. Every coin will not last from their level. Only good fundamental coins and limited supply coins will blast. Or any influencer like Elon Musk will suggest you coins that will blast in this bull run. Okay, so we are near to the stop loss, guys, and we don't have liquidity on this level, but we are here. It is a weird thing which is showing in market from last 2 3 days. See here, I think it is coming to take the liquidity level, and we have 28 million of liquidity in. This is a very good indicator. Or if you are using trading view, then I will suggest you this. This is free of cost, no charges, and you can put your indicators also here. So on one chart, you will get everything. Okay, so BTC is coming down again. It took the liquidity from this high again and coming down. I don't know why BTC is going down. We can. Okay, liquidity is building on downside or not. Okay, liquidity is building on downside at the 12.5k, but it is taking the resistance from. It will take some time to break this level, but definitely it will break this level. SL is the part of the trading, so don't be in fear if we get in SL, because next time we will recover all money. We will wait for the market to act. Also a level and 13k, and it takes the out from this level. Now we have to wait in market. The name of this indicator is brother liquidation heat map. Liquidation heat map. Here you can see that up. Liquidation heat map. Every time frame it will show you the liquidity. You go to the 1 hour, the liquidity, full liquidity grab in 4 hour. Here you can see new liquidity on upside. It grabs the liquidity of 186 million. So it is holding my trade of BTC short. No, no, not running. I booked the profit already. We say that is making the this kind of situation we are in. Now what to do in this box? A heavy consolidation is going. From here, a breakout or breakdown get a very big rally. Just connect 117k and I booked at the 114k. Usually I travel a lot. That's why I don't open my trade too long. From last 4 months, I am not live. I think last live session was on 10th of May. After that, my traveling diary is now need to some rest. Again resumed my trading live stream for you guys. Give some good knowledge to you for the future. Make good money. But I don't trade on the order blocks. I am not a very big fan of SMC concept. I don't know how to find order. First, I have to learn about the order blocks. Then I have to explain. Any die-hard fan of SMC concept, you can learn from them. I only know about the candles, which candle and where will perform. This is for the price action lovers only. I am price action lover. Usually I don't see liquidation, but right now we have to see liquidation because chart is very choppy. When chart is not showing good things, then I will converted into the other indicators. If you say I don't see, I don't check RSI, MACD, and many more indicators or moving averages also. Because chart always show you the best thing. See here, chart takes the liquidity of this. Okay. Now what we are expecting? We are expecting some reversal from here. In next 2 3 days, we will definitely see the reversal in Ethereum or in crypto market till this level. And this is the trend line resistance now, and it will take the resistance from here and we can see a pullback from here. So chart shows everything. Further check my messages. Gold and BTC are inversely minute check. Where which one brother, from where? 2.39. I can trade gold on OKX. Can we trade gold on OKX? The however fundamental done. So Navi in 2000 we will bottom Please tell there is yes, you can trade, brother. XAUT. XAUT. So Naveen already done in quarter two. We can see 2020 into in 2026 quarter two. We can see the bottom or not bottom, top. In quarter one we see the top. Then we can see bearish trend in the market. Gold and BTC are inversely proportional. Gold or BTC are not inversely proportional. We can't say that because sometimes gold and BTC both fly. But the thing uh, is correlate uh, is that when we see gold made the top, then after that we see money is flowing in the BTC. And when BTC make the top, then we see gold is flying or going bullish. So they are not inversely proportional, but their money is flowing in both. After making the top in gold, BTC fly. After BTC making the top, gold fly. So that are the main things. Looks like reversal of the trading head happening. Market going short. So already told you about this, brother. I am not sure about this. 99.9% market is not is in bearish phase now because we have lots of things to come in the end of 2025. So October rate cut and December rate cut. These two rate cuts will market take as a pump and we will see some good move. And what is the name of already done? If you check the total market cap chart, like market is acting 1 hour miss but still holding 15 minutes reversal. Yes, total we can check total market cap. Bet head here then no, don't have total market cap. Total three, if we see total three of the 4 hours, you can see in 15 minutes you see that it is making the same structure like BTC. So we are in a consolidation phase. So two things are happened here. So 90% chances we will see a very good reversal from here and we see total three will blast from here. Okay. And the rare 10% scenario is that we see a drop from here in total three. Or if we see the higher time frame in daily, we, okay, in daily we have liquidity took the liquidity of this high of 2000 December 2020. This is the high of 2024 and we takes the liquidity, that's why we are down. But after some consolidation we can see some good move on the upside in bigger time frame. To we already made a correction from high is almost 42.82%, almost 43%. So we are above from 3% from this low. And this low is made in I think April. Yes. After April we see in May a very good opportunity in market. So we are on the urge of breakout everywhere. If you see BTC, sorry, Dodge, here it took the liquidity from this level. Now it goes up. Now it is taking the liquidity of this level and sweeps this high. Now we are reject takes feels the rejection. Now we can see upside move. Or if you see that, it is taking the support from the trend line also. One, two. Third time it takes the support from the, so expecting some good move from here in Doge. Any other question, brother? Check my message. Okay, your message check, brother. Any other messages? Any other queries want to ask? Your query is welcomed. Brother, can we check total market cap chart with BTC ETH? Get please all three charts in one time frame. Possible because I don't have premium subscription of the. Let me try. Mhm. Not possible right now because I don't have premium subscription of the trading view. Hmm. Let me think about the other solutions. So if we, the Doge is taking the liquidity, making higher highs and higher lows. So higher high, higher lows is in making. We are in a good conditions. For BTC total market cap Ethereum, you can see BTCH. Okay, ETH. So this is the chart of BTC versus ETH, and BTC and ETH at the support level, and from the level of 22 September 2024. So now the time is come for the Ethereum to outperform BTC. Soon we can see, we will see some rejection till this level. Then we can see some drop in the market. Then Ethereum will outperform the BTC. After breaking the after breaking this level, we'll see Ethereum will outperform BTC soon. Ethereum. Okay, this okay, I gave this analysis on 4 hour time frame. I think in video I gave this to you guys. New ATH I am expecting a head and shoulder and a trendline breakout. I posted on Telegram, and after that you can see in two candles we see a very good move of 16% in market. So Ethereum BTC will perform like this: 10%, 20% move in two candle, three candle, four candle possible. So anytime we can expect this, and this trade is already also captured by me of all time high 1944. Now market is not in good condition, but we are at the support, at the previous support. This is the previous support by Ethereum. And the low for the Ethereum, I think, will be the low. And we takes the support from this low. Now expecting some move till this trend line, till our SL not hit, guys. Let's see what will happen. Because we have a liquidity on upside. Now or later tonight we can see upside move in Ethereum. Mark my words. MYX made the top, brother. Don't rush. I will not suggest. MYX is on my radar when it is trading near to the $4, sorry, $2. But I forgot about it. So here you can see that lots of liquidity. See the 4 hour structure. Then we have a great liquidity, very great liquidity. If you want to short MYX, then I will suggest you to see how much volume is here. 18.21 volume is here. So definitely it is going to take the liquidity of this level, and the structure is also showing that we had a double top here. Uh, circle is here, and you can say that this circle is a double top. What is this? Double top, and we are at the very crucial level. We say because we are on the neckline of the double top. So I think you can go for the short. Stop loss just about this candle, guys. 11, 11 thing, 11.08. Okay, and target can achieve level easily. For for the safety, you can go till the 5.26. So $4 easily you will get on a safety margin. Yes, later tonight of India. Where are you from, brother Fezi? You are from US, I think. US, US or Middle East. Fezi is not performing very well, guys. The liquidity 52. Oh, we have a larger liquidity on up. Uh, just just missed the SL. Okay, from US. You are a American citizen. But what is your native place? It's a daytime in USA. think I need a, a world clock is easy for me. Hey, so basically you are from India. You are an Indian, but now you are an NRI, NRI Indian, HB1 visa holder, right? You have to pay 100K. So this trade is very good. This is a very good trade. Okay, 2.15 p. It's almost 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. And in India it's 12:10 a.m. Lots of difference. So if you are a swing trader, you can short MYXC. No, we will go daily lives, but next week I have a plan for a tour with my friends. 2 3 days I will not available, but after that I am available. I will do daily live stream at that time. Rarely we will miss. In month, in a month we I will miss 4 or 5 days, but 20 to 25 days I am available. Just 9.5 a day. So you are a IT guy, busy brother, or a student visa holder. Okay, Ethereum is again going up. We will see the Ethereum. If we breach this level again, then definitely we are going to hit this level. We are waiting. Ethereum, no good money is being in the market. We'll say BCD, sir, as you said, if BTC hit 100K to one bottom to 110K, why then this is not it too much because we have a long term holders more. We will see dump in BTC because of the exchanges only, not from the institutions or from the countries, only from the exchanges, because this market works from exchanges. Other traditional market is works from institutions and other things, also retailers and HNIs and many things will control the market. But crypto market is a new market and exchanges are controlling the market. Large dump was from BTC, sorry, Binance. So main king is Binance. If Binance want to dump the market, it will dump the market. They have power to dump the market because they have liquidity, guys. Lots of liquidity because Binance is the first in the world. They have many coins and investment than other. We see coin market K. What I want to tell you, let me, this is app exchange. Here the main thing. Average liquidity of the Binance is 917 and Bybit is 677. See the difference between Binance and Bybit. First and the second. Weekly visits, everything. It is almost a double. 90, 70 to 80% more. So Binance is a powerful exchange, guys. And one thing I see commonly in Binance, price, if you place a stop loss in the market, uh, in your trade, and if market suddenly fall, then it will not respect your SL. It is like a forex market or a forex broker, so it will take the slippage. So slippage is more in Binance. In other market, in other exchanges, we don't have slippage. What can expect from Ethereum? I am expecting some good move in Ethereum. Uh, this will be our SL. Target will be this. We have lots of time. 4400 for ETH. Yes, 4400. I am expecting 4400 or 4300 from this consolidation. Or we can say that this trend line will work for you. If we get area guide here, so here will be 4300. We take the rejection from level, taking sideways market, and then a breakout, then definitely we are going to take rejection from this level, comes down, takes the pullback, again a breakout and pullback, and again on and on, higher high, higher low. Yes, Binance has many issues. That's why I don't trade on Binance. Bin There is two exchanges which I don't like. First is Binance and second is MEX. MEX is very cheap exchange. The exchange don't do thing, but Binance do cheat with the retailers. Only with retailers they cheat, and they already have data how much retailers are on which side, so they liquidate. Because if big money holders make money, then market will move. If retailers will make money, then how this exchange will work? So sometime from 100 out of 10 will make money and 90 will get wrecked from the longs and the short. That's the policy of the market, of the crypto market. You need to understand the situations. So right now the situation is very choppy in market. Structure according to the price action is showing BTC Ethereum will go up. But right now on lower time frame it is going very choppy. It took the 3 days ago I opened the trade on Ethereum and still it is open. Now see what to do. Nothing. I am waiting for the SL or for the target in Ethereum. BTC is performing good. It breaks the 113K level. But Ethereum, I don't know why it is very choppy. So let's see what will happen with that. I think this thing- it is why if I by TH, it is taking the rejection from this level. Keep eye on these levels. Okay, it is a descending triangle type of a descending triangle type of pattern. So this descending triangle will breaks up, then we can go up, or if break down, then we can see more bloodbath in the market. But hype is looking good, expecting 54 from hype in next 2 weeks. Okay, your MYXC is going down, guys. I think in this we don't have a trade. Hmm. In short, MYXC, nothing we have. It's okay. Don't need anything. But yes, in short, stop loss is this red line, and we already take the rejection from the neckline. Now expecting, why I am expecting this, because 18 to 9, already $9. So expecting some this move of liquidity grab, because we don't have big liquidity on the upper side, only big liquidity on the downside. So expecting many many retailers will trap, because lots of people open the trade from this level and they are opening on MYX. What is my best, what is your best profiting strategy to trade? I have different strategies according to the market, guy. Brother. For spot, I use different strategy. Or you say this candle strategy on 4 hour time frame. I use this strategy many times, and nine uh, 9 out of 10 times I am profitable using this strategy, which I shared earlier in this live liquidity sweep. So basically, I'm work on liquidity sweep, and for copy trading or other things, for BTC USDT on day trading or for intraday trading, I use liquidation strategy, price action, chart patterns to trade. Mainly, I go with chart patterns in alts. So these are my different strategies for. Uh, I am long on Ethereum because my gut feeling is saying that definitely we are going to break this. Market is very choppy. Market is waiting for some news. If you see there is a lots of change in the market. 1.9%, everything is green, but not looking on the charts. So market is green, but it is very slow. It is not looking like we like the green we want. It's like a dark green, but we want light green, in which coins will blast. MYXC is a good opportunity to short, brother, and already it is going soon. In next 2 weeks. We will see that we are going to touch this level $6 and in MYX. With traps, then we can go. There is two scenario. If it breaks the level of $11 and makes the higher high and higher low, Then on next higher low, we will go for the buy. This is a very crucial level for MYX. Let's see the BTC again, brothers. Now is yes, here is the BTC. So in 4 hour, see that we have liquidity on 107K. But I am not expecting this from BTC. Take the liquidity of 107. We already opened the trade from 107. This candle. So sometime some candles will work on different time frame. For me, this candle works very well. So I am expecting things from here directly a breakout or a trend line rejection can take the liquidity of this low, and then we can see it will fly from this ICP. Yes, reversal is very good, but reversal works only after a heavy fall. Reversal works like all liquidation happens, then reversal will work perfectly. In falling market, you will play for the reversal, then it's like a falling knife, and it will lose the money. Okay, ICP is going to hit $6 at 1 day. Just a minute. Let's check the ICP. ICP USDT on 1 day, brother. Okay, so it takes the liquidity on and on. Okay, wow. We have to go to the lower time. So you want that to know that it will go up or not. So from here, you are expecting six. It will go six, but it will take some time. Maybe next month we can see it can go to the 5.72, or ultimately we have 6.2. So it can go to 6, but it will take time as well. If you are in trade, then I will suggest you to hold. It will not going to liquidate you. Soon market will change and it will go in our favor, and we will earn lots of profits. Right now market is only choppy. See here, like this. What to trade, what to see. I can't understand why market is, what to do with that. Okay, if you have any other query, you can ask me. Gold is going down as we discussed. Gold will go down. Money is pulling out from gold. Now we can see money will flow in crypto markets. 3,700 dollars support for the gold. So I will plan trade 100. Hmm. Feeling tired. Okay, how much time? Okay, guys, oh, only three likes from you. Williams, AG. I am here, guys, and always available. On live, we will discuss about the real trading experience always, because it will work for you always. Okay, market, market is choppy, very very choppy. Or if you have all, or if you have questions, mind, then you can ask me because market is not looking good. There is nothing in the markets. I think it will be like a question and answer session for sharing knowledge is always a great deal. I will teach you the only things I use, only the good things I know. Other things I will not prefer. I don't use. I don't like. So, any other questions or not? Other, it will can see the top layer. Okay. What other kindly tell me about double bottom and double top? It appears what side we will expect. Sir, uh, it's simple. There is two things in the market or in double bottom or double top. That okay, we will take first example of double top. Okay, let me make this. eh, Just let me. Okay, this is a, so this is a double top. Okay, M pattern double top. First, second. This is double top. This is the neckline of double top. So if you have a guts to find the double top, then there is a three types of trades you can open here. Okay, from first can quote from here. SL is above this level. Okay, so you can easily get the level of this neckline. Second trade you can take from this level as a play of reversal. If we see this level works as support, then you can see a very good head move. And if we breach this level, so this double top is trapped and money will fly very very quickly because it works like a trap or a liquidity sweep. Okay, so it sweeps the liquidity of this low, and after that we see a very good rally. Sometimes we see a low breach, and after that a price is moving like a rocket. So it is a liquidity sweep or liquidity grab concept. So overall thing is liquidity, but things are different or levels are different from here, or we can see quoted from here, but in the way on midway we see a breaking of this level and go for the buy and stop loss below last swing. You can see a very good side trade, or proper double top is like this. Here it will come, it will takes the pullback from here, and from here you can short from this neckline, and it will give you the target from like this will be your like 7.8%. Okay, 8% it is. So from this neckline you will expect technically a 8% target. So definitely it will go to this. How this will work for double top, and same as double bottom, inverse this. So this is double top and this is bottom, and same for the head and shoulder. Every pattern is work like this for cup and handle, for flatted bottom, rounding bottom. Everything will work like this. We have two things to do, or three things to do. Two three things we have to do. So we have to prepare for that. Many people is uh, know everything, but they don't earn too much. You know why? Because they will trade, but they're not managing the risk. So managing the risk is very very needed. So basic thing is you need a risk management. If you have risk management, then you will earn the money in the market definitely. If you have $100, then go with the $20 per trade, and your risk and your SL, the loss will be only $2, not more than $2. So if you manage the risk and consistently you manage the risk and takes the trade, and your strategy is good, in next 180 days you will be a pro trader, and you will be a disciplined trader, and you will be a very profitable trader, and your life will be changed. So main thing is consistency plus discipline and a good strategy. So you have to work or master on the skills. You have to take the trade and check which strategy is suiting you or which setup is suiting you. Then you have to take trade on that setup only, because FOMO takes the money. Every time FOMO takes the money. So don't FOMO and work like a professional and control your emotions. Take the trade and put the SL and the target, and go for shopping or market or anything good, like to play games, anything. See the market after 2 3 hours. You will be a SL or a target only. Or if you are a professional trader, and if you have emotion control, then you can sit on the chair 24 like me. In initial days of my trading, I gave 20 hours, only take 4 hours of nap, because it is very new, and I have hunger to learn. I lost too much money, earned too much money in that phase of learning, equally. But in 2021, Shiba Inu, Doge, that coins give me lots of money to survive in the market for the next 4 years. So that investment is very worth for at that time. But I think this time MYX and Esther does the same. These are the two coins which did very well. And in 2021, in May, Shiba Inu is launched on Binance. In September, we see the MYX and Esther both are performing in Binance. So we are very close to the top. Next 6 months, like a very crucial for the crypto market. From there, we'll see a very good movement, and we will enter into the bearish market. XEN, take XEN or XCN. Many coins from exchange price not correct. Which RWXC? I think this XCN is delisted and new XCN. Xenon. We're talking about Xenon, and it is delisted, 10 billion of supply and gone. Many look, I think every coin will not perform, but the coin will perform according to the situation. RWA coins will going to blast. AI coins will going to blast. It is like a, if you know about the bubble of .com in early 2000, will burst in 2001, I think, and we see a major economy. After that, we see economy down in 2007 or 2008. Worst scenario, it downs like a 50% crashed. But many people see as a opportunity and invested that time. And you see now market is where in 2020 market crashed, and after that you can see that from there it is 5x 10x. In 2020 BTC is 821,000 and make the low of 17,000. From that low of 17,000 into we are in 2025, it already do 5x 7x. Now what will you expect? First one, XCN crypto. I think it is not available on BingX, MEXC. It is available on BingX, MEXC, KuCoin, Gate.io, EasyFinex, Uniswap. The circulating supply is self-reported. Volume of the market is 34%, and the market cap and the FDV good. It is almost 100% down from the all-time high, and the volume next volume is Bitmart 99K. Volume is not look 34% last 20 chart, and last one chart side move, not showing anything. Market, hey brothers, let's learn about crypto and market have already. Brother, we just listen about crypto in 2025, but market have already very grown. We don't have enough money to invest. Why? Yes, brother, you can survive. We are still in the early phase of the market. Early phase, it's like we are only 10 to 15% right now. We have a scope of 85% left. Bitcoin will go to the 1 million. In 2030, if we're going to invest, then it is very too late. It's too late. But in 2025, 2020, a very good time. So every time is a good time. Only you have to dare to invest. Investment has always better result. BTC not on a top, going to infinite. Right now we are talking about Bitcoin. Later, after 20 years, 2040 or 2045, we will talk about the sets, units of the BTC. So units of the BTC will work. The future payment will be BTC. So BTC will regulate almost 210 countries. The economy will grow like only. He has a very good infrastructure. BTC is uh, launched to centralize the people's the country. That's why countries are not accepting the Bitcoin. Like India and other countries accepting payment mode in BTC. Soon we can see stablecoin will replace the market. Stablecoin we can see. So future is virtual. We can see virtually currencies of the countries like USDT. We can see INRT or we can see PKRT, other many currencies like the DRT, AED. This market is too choppy from last 2 days. From 22 September, it's almost 25 September. You can hear market is very choppy. What to trade? We already missed the trade of gold. Now we don't have courage to open short on gold and don't have courage to open long on gold as gold is going to take rest after 2 hours. There is no good movement. So now we have to wait. Rather, I will suggest you to invest in future. In future, like Esther, blockchain for BNB, or many Solana, or many projects. If okay, so can invest in Ethereum, BTC, BNB, Solana. ठीक है. Hyperliquid, Link, AVX. AVX is very good project. Hui, XLM, HBAR, Litecoin, Tonecoin. Tonecoin soon going to blast. ERO, working token. XMR is a very good cryptocurrency for the money laundering. Ultimate solution because the transactions are not publicly shown in the XMR. For money laundering, Monero is by many mafias. Uni, DI, WLI, will just to ignore for the long term. I have a DNA near protocol is also IP, Ester, EB is good, cow. Bit sensor is a very good project. My 50% the capital is in bit sensor. APT. Ondo is a very good project for future. RWA concept, WLD, many coins, ARB, ICP. Why you can mine. Algor, Pengu IX, SEI is also good. Bonk has very good volume. Peter, IMX. These are very good checks. Quantum is good, brother, but let me quantum's fundamental. Okay, yes, you can invest in quantum also because of the limited circulating supply. Only 15, almost 15 million of so we can see a good future. Only if and if you have to see their future programs also and the work of the quantum, then you have to invest. Zcash is checked, Aero is PX 6900 is a very big and vast community like Pepe. Easily we can see $3. This is XAUT, THF. They will show the Radium is launching of the coins RLUSD. This is a stable coin from the Ripple. These all are the way good. Hyper liquid target from my side is $100 plus 110 to 120. It will go like Solana. Right now, no one is notifying hyper liquid, but soon we can see hyper liquid will buy. $829, I suggest you buy. Now it is already made a high of $59 and many more going for future. If you are investing for the next 5 years, then these are the coins which are very good and plan for the buying the coin is to accumulate on every low level. Invest only one time money, then I will not suggest you to buy this coin. Then buy in the bear market for the one time invest. If you are accumulating, then I will suggest to accumulate this. All coins are the good. In this cycle, okay, in this cycle, I think maybe we can see easily 110 to $120 for hype. The gold is coming down, guys. Gold is coming down. I think market is very choppy, yaar. So let's leave the stream. The thing is looking good and almost I think it has been 2 hours, so need to rest. Brother, no one is my favorite or motivations in crypto or in this world. My motivation is only money and my dreams. I have to fulfill my dreams because everyone is telling their stories. Nothing, only the PR games. No one tell you the real truth. No one is favorite. Only thing is favorite. Work hard and learn everything and you will get successful. No one will tell you how to get successful. Everyone will selling you their mindset and you need to develop your own mindset because everyone has a opportunity or many hurdles of different types will not fulfill their conditions. Many traders have already um, get money from their parents or support from their parents. They are successful, and many influencers are not supported from their parents or family or atmosphere. So every trader has a different story, and no one tell you the dark side of the story. I'm in market from 2017, so I know almost trader, almost means 99% trader from 2017. They have 1 million followers, 5 million followers, 2 million followers, 3 million followers, but they are in loss. If we talk about the Andrew Tate on Hyperliquid, their wallet showing he is in negative or in minus, and he is selling the course. So everyone is selling the course. No one is telling the truth in this market. So use your mind only. Yes, brother, we are here to give you learning. What I know, I will open front of you guys. Okay, so it's been 2 hours and it is a very good market is choppy. So we don't have good trades. We opened a trade on Ethereum, but not found very good. Okay, so if I found good trade, then I will post it in the premium or in free Telegram also. Okay, guys, we'll meet you in the next live session tomorrow. So subscribe the channel and like the channel, and please comment down your favorite thing I shared in today's live. Okay, so tata, bye bye, see you, take care, good night, have a good journey ahead.